Hello children. See here. Yes. Which poem is this? No, no bird. Children, we all teachers have seen your videos where you have recited this No, no bird poem very nicely. So I want to congratulate you all for your efforts. Very good children. Very nice. Okay. Now today let us do the textbook work of this poem. So take your English textbook and open page number 35. Children, have you opened page number 35? Can you see here on this page the poem No, no bird? Now let's write date here. 14 dash 8 dash 2020. Have you written the date? Now let's read the question. Fill in the blanks with words from the poem. Fill in the blanks with words from the poem. Number 1. The child lives up in the dash tree. Where does the child live up? The child lives up in the tantrum tree. Yes. So write here tantrum, T capital, A-N-T-R-U-M. Tantrum. Write nicely. Then number 2. The child can shout and cry. Yes. Very good. So write here C-R-Y, cry. Number 3. He says dash to everything. He says no to everything. N-O, no to everything. Have you written all the answers like this? Okay. Now next question. Think and discuss. Now children, this first question you are going to write in the notebook. So for your reference, write here N dot B dot. Okay, that is notebook. And this second and third, these two questions we will discuss in the class when our school will reopen. Okay. Now here, keep your finger here. Circle the letters that make the sound A-I. That is I. Before this question, let's read this information. In the words C-R-Y, cry, and W-H-Y, why. In the words cry and why makes the sound A-I, that is I. Why makes the sound A-I, that is I. That's why cry. Why? Because why makes the sound of A-I. Makes the sound A-I. I. Now circle the letters that make the sound A-I, that is I. For example, in C-R-Y, cry, Y makes the sound A-I. And in H-I-G-H, high, I IGH make the sound AI. I. That's why high. Okay. Now turn the page. Now here we have to circle the letters that make the sound of AI. Sound AI, that is I. Now Y makes the sound of AI. So circle Y. WHY. Y makes the sound AI. I. Now number 2. MY. My. In my, Y makes the sound of AI. Or Y makes the sound AI. Number 3. TRY. Try. Here also Y makes the sound AI. I. Number 4. SKY. Sky. Now here Y makes the sound AI. So children, circle the letter Y like this. Have you circled letter Y? Okay. Now number 5. SIGH. Sigh. Now here IGH, these letters together make the sound I. So circle IGH like this. Nicely circle the letters IGH. Number 6. THIGH. Thigh. Now here again IGH you have to circle because IGH make the sound AI, that is I, and that's why thigh. Have you done this question? Very good. Now let's read the next question. All these are rhyming words. Circle the letters that make the rhyming sound. One has been done for you. Children, you know the rhyming words very well. Now let's see the example. Now here SING, sing. Okay. Then next second word is WING, wing. So sing, wing, rhyming word. And here we have to circle the letters that make the sound ING, wing, rhyming sound. Sing, wing. So ING, these letters together make the rhyming sound. Then here DING, ding. So circle ING. These letters are making the rhyming sound. Bring, br and ING, bring. So circle ING. Number 5, KING, king. Circle ING. And sixth rhyming word is RING, ring. So circle ING. Have you done this question? Okay. Now count the sounds. For example, HIGH. Now given word is high. HIGH, high. H plus IGH. Now here we make two sounds, H, her, and IGH, I, and that's why the word is high. So here we make two sounds. Now next example is KNOW, no. KN plus OW. Now children, here also we make two sounds. But you have to remember that in KNOW, K is always silent. So KN, N, and OW, O. So it's no. So children, always remember in KNOW, K is silent and you have to read it as no. KNOW, no. Here first word is bird, B-I-R-D, bird. Now B, B, I, R, and D, D. So here three sounds are, we make three sounds. So three sounds are here. Have you written? Now second word, THIGH, thigh. Now here TH, th, and IGH, I. So here we make two sounds, th and I. That's why thigh. The given word is thigh. Now let's do the number 3. CRAB, crab. Now here CR, crow, A, and B, B. So three sounds, crab, crab. Now let's do the number 4. FEET, feet. Now here F for E, and then T, toe. So three sounds. And the word is feet, for E, toe, feet. Have you done all the answers? Okay. Now let's do the next question. Let's read it. Underline the letters which make the sound OO as in boot. One has been done for you. Now children, here you have to remember that the O, they together make the sound oo. Okay. Now let's see number 1. HOOT, hoot. Now here you can see the OO is underlined as they together make the sound oo. Like this you have to underline the letters which make the sound O, oo. Now here SHOOT, shoot. Now here children you have to underline O. Children, don't underline H or T. You have to underline only O. Number 3. SUIT, suit. Now here UI they together make the sound O, O. So underline U, I. Done, children? Okay, now number 4. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Now here also U-I, they together make the sound O-O. So underline U-I. Number 5, J-U-T-E, jute. Now children, here U makes the sound O-O. So underline U. Okay. Now number 6, C-U-T-E, cute. Now here U makes the sound O. So underline U. Number 7, F-L-U-T-E, flute. So here also U makes the sound O. So underline U. And number 8, R-O-U-T-E, root. Now here also O-U they together make the sound O. So underline O-U. Okay children, you have to underline O-U as they together make the sound O. Have you done all the answers? Now let's go to the next page. Let's read this question. Underline the letters which make the sound O as in F-O-O-T, foot. Now before we solve this question, children, let's correct the numbering. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here it should be 6, but by mistake it printed as 5. So make it 6. Okay, then 7, and here also by mistake it's printed as 6. So you make it 8. Number 8. Have you done? Now let's go to the number 1. Read it. H-O-O-D, hood. Now here you have to underline the letters O. Number 2. C-O-U-L-D, could. C-O-U-L-D, could. Now here you have to underline letters O-U as they together make the sound O. Number 3, G-O-O-D, good. Now here also you have to underline the letters O. Number 4, C-H-I-L-D, H-O-O-D, childhood. Childhood. Underline O. Okay. Now number 5. R-E-D-W-O-O-D, redwood. Underline O. Number 6. S-H-O-U-L-D, should. S-H-O-U-L-D, should. Underline O-U. Number 7. S-T-O-O-D, stood. Underline letters O. Number 8. W-O-U-L-D, wood. Now here you have to underline letters O. you. Okay, all of you have done? Now let's read this question. Learn the poem by heart. Then recite it using rhythm, action and expression. Children, you have learned this poem nicely. So, keep reciting it. Hello children. Just now we have finished the textbook work. Now children, let us write some questions and answers in the English notebook number 1. So children, take your English notebook and take out the next new page. Then write today's date in the red column. 14-8-20. Then write poem number 4, No Bird. See how teacher has written, and write like this only. Then in the red column write Roman number 1. Write the rhyming word for the given word. Then write number 1, WHY. Children, you know rhyming words very nicely. So, the rhyming word for Y is cry. So, write CRY, cry. The next line, write number 2, SING, sing. And what is the rhyming word for the word sing? Yes, it's ring. RING, ring. Then leave one line and write Roman number 2. Answer the following. Write nicely. Question number 1. What does the child say to everything? Now, after this, put a question mark like this. See how teacher is writing question mark. Yes, like this. Okay? Put a question mark like this. Then next line, answer. Capital ANS dot. That is answer. The child says no to everything. Full stop. And children, here you have to put inverted commas to the no, to the word no, like this. No, no. Now put inverted commas. Like this. Okay? Understood? Now leave one line and go to the next page. Question number 2. Where does the child live? Where does the child live? Put a question mark. Next line, answer. What is the answer, children? Where does the child live? The child lives up in the tantrum tree. Write both T's capital and then put full stop. Leave one line and write question number 3. Are you like the no bird? Put a question mark and write no bird in inverted commas. Next line, answer. No. Capital NO, no. Then put a comma. I am not like the no bird. Full stop. So children, here you have finished questions and answers in the notebook. So finish your writing and